What is up, guys? Welcome back to another really quick video. This is Alex and I just came from a 8-mile ride on my Poseidon Redwood. And let me tell you something. Actually, on one of my previous videos, I installed this dropper right here. The one that has the little lever, goes up and down. And I think this is a Zoom branded dropper. And this is my first ride with it. It was like almost 8 miles. Thank God, because well, first of all, if you are not a man, you can disregard this video. It does not apply to you. If you're a man, most likely you have balls, so this might apply to you. Let me tell you what's happening. So this dropper is it's actually good, kind of. I don't know if you can tell right here, but this thing right here, when I installed it, I kind of foresee that it was gonna be kind of like a problem. Let me show you why. So compared to a regular dropper, regardless whether it has the lever or not, many of the droppers and seat posts actually have this adjustment right here that you can actually tilt. Whenever you tilt it, it'll move the saddle, angle it either down, forward, whatever comfy position you like. And I usually like, this seems to be like horizontal, and I actually like to run them a little bit angle down. Now the problem is, let me show you. This is the seat post that I took off, and as you can see, it's a little bit angled down, and that's how I had it. And it also has that adjustment right there that you can tilt a few degrees, whatever. And this dropper post does not have that. So the whole 7 miles, all 7 miles, I felt my being squished up against this thing, and not in a nice way. Not in a nice way. So I think I'm gonna order a different one, and I will follow up on that one once I installed it. One that actually has, I seen it. That was one of my choices. Sorry, there's somebody doing something with the lawn over there. That was the other choice that I was gonna buy, but it was a little more expensive. But what I could see, it actually has the adjustment right here. So hopefully I can find one at a decent price and order it. That way I can return this one, because this right here is not good. It's not bueno for my, like I said, if you are not a man, this might not apply to you. Or if you like your being squished, then you can keep this one. Me personally, I don't like the way it feels on my, so I'm gonna pass on this one and get another one. Other than that, I also took this bike on a section of the trail, and of course I took off a little bit of air, and I kind of felt like on the big bumps that this thing was kind of like, I don't know if it was the saddle or something, but it was like if it was coming off. So I don't know. So I think it might have been the saddle, because I can feel the movement right there. I might just go back and install my OK bun, because this is proven. I have it on all my bikes. I just wanted that one because of the color, but F it. I'm gonna go back to this saddle and also order that other dropper, and hopefully that will take care of the problem. So like I said, it might have been a combination of both, not being able to tilt it and me also being used to have it a little bit angled forward, because that's the way I usually run all my saddles. If you are used to running it like this, it might not be a problem for you. But other than that, I'm gonna order the other one. I'll leave an affiliate for that one in the description, and also for this one. And also, if you want to support the channel, you check them out and share this video. Other than that, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye. Taco. Taco.